Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best winter tires. The winter season is here, and in these conditions, there's really no avoiding the perilous, slippery roads that you'll have to drive through. There's always that fear of your tires failing to grip the icy road, which will lead your car to slide out of control onto incoming traffic, as seen in a number of trending videos. Thankfully, winter tires are here to save the day. Being built for the slipperiest winter pathways, you'll have more confidence as you drive this cold season. For maximum control of your vehicle, our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has compiled the best winter tires you can get your hands on. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the winter tires that will be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first winter tire in our list is the Bridgestone Blizzak WS90, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Being one of the most high-end tire brands, Bridgestone's Blizzak WS90 is arguably the most well-rounded and the best there is. Since it can bite into snow and ice, you'll have full confidence while driving even during the worst winter conditions. These tires feature a 235/60 R16 size, a rim size of 16 inches, and a section width of 235 millimeters. With each tire having a load capacity of 1,764 pounds, they're certainly best fit for cars and minivans. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: reliable handling. These tires deliver confident stopping power in both snow and ice thanks to their bit particles for impressive traction. Anti-moisture properties. Because the tire is made of a more porous rubber compound than other tires, it pulls water away from the road. This lets the rubber make full contact with the surface, which keeps the car from hydroplaning. 3D zigzag sipes. This technology makes sure that there are more biting edges without affecting the stability of the blocks or the shape of the footprint or contact patch. Nano Pro multi-cell compound. With this in the first 55% of the tire tread, it ensures maximum braking performance even on wet surfaces. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, these tires are a bit pricey. However, their reliable performance justifies the high price point. The second winter tire in our list is the Cooper Evolution Winter 95T tire, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Cooper Evolution is the best budget winter tire that you simply cannot overlook. Despite coming at a lower price point, it offers excellent performance in various winter conditions and remarkable deep snow traction. It has a size of 215/55 R18 95T with a rim size of 18 inches. It also has a section width of 215 millimeters as well as a load capacity of 1,520 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: maximum deep snow performance. The tire's snow groove technology traps snow to give you the best grip, handling, and stopping power. High grip. Multi-angled corrugated siping ensures biting edges in all directions for maximum traction during turns and straightaways. Stud pin compatibility. These tires feature strategically placed pinholes that enable you to add studs for extra traction and stopping capability while on the iciest of roads. High stability. The wide contact of the tread sawtooth circumferential center rib delivers maximum stability in all weather conditions. Severe weather rated. Cooper Evolution's tires meet the required performance criteria in snow testing to ensure maximum reliability. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases: the tires are a bit noisy, but this doesn't compromise performance. The third winter tire in our list is the Michelin XI Snow, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Introducing the top-tier winter tire on the list, the Michelin XI Snow is designed for SUVs, crossovers, and passenger cars in the harshest winter conditions. It has a size of 245/45 R18/XL 100H. The tire also features a rim size of 18 inches with a 1,764 load capacity. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: robust durability. Featuring Flex Ice 2.0 compound with Michelin Ever Winter Grip rubber inclusion technology, you'll experience remarkable braking on ice for maximum safety during the winter season. Maximum grip. Tested and engineered for the harshest winter conditions, the XI Snow ensures improved snow grip due to its full-depth sipes on its tread pattern. Enhanced mobility. The tires ensure enhanced mobility with improved aquaplaning resistance and slush performance. This is all thanks to their extremely wide transversal grooves on the V-shaped tread pattern design. Rubber inclusion technology. This ensures increased water layer absorption for maximum grip on ice. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, users reported that its traction isn't the best in deep snow compared to its high-end competitors, but this is only by a small margin. The fourth winter tire in our list is the Pirelli Winter Ice Zero FR, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Offering the best value possible, make way for the Pirelli Winter Ice Zero FR. These tires are made for cars that run in Nordic winter conditions. This model has a size of 225 over 50 R17XL and a rim size of 17 inches. It features a section width of 225 mm and has a load capacity of 1,653 pounds each. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: highly balanced design. With a directional tread pattern, these tires are made for high performance and grip in cold weather. They also have a high level of stability and control, which makes driving more comfortable. Robust build. The tire's high tread wear ensures extended longevity, making it an ever-reliable unit for use in extra-long winter seasons. Run flat technology. This allows you to drive safely while maintaining maximum control even during a rapid loss of inflation. Anti-water design. Specific sipes rapidly clean the surface from the water film generated by ice underneath the tire. Excellent grip. Pirelli's increased footprint and optimum regular pressure distribution ensure maximum traction and braking safety. High wet and dry stability. 3D sipe technology ensures the tread blocks maximum stability at higher speeds. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, the tire comes in limited sizes, which are usually ideal for high-end sports cars. The fifth winter tire in our list is the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 95T XL, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. When it comes to performance, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta 95T XL won't back down easily. Being an extremely safe model, the Hakkapeliitta R5 is the perfect combination of winter grip, silence, and eco-friendliness. It has a size of 235 over 40 R18, a rim size of 18 inches, and a section width of 235 mm. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Arctic grip crystals. These crystals, built inside the treadwork, are used as built-in studs for maximum grip. This makes it best used in winter weather conditions, even as the tire wears down. Double block grip. This design feature ensures maximum grip and handling performance on the iciest roads. Eco-friendly design. The green trace rubber compound minimizes the tire's rolling resistance for maximum fuel efficiency and minimum environmental impact. The tires are also made from natural rubber, recycled steel, plant-derived oils, and pine resin, making them all the more eco-friendly. Safety feature. A winter safety indicator within the tread allows you to view the tire's remaining tread depth for proper monitoring. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, the Nokian's extremely high performance comes at a price, and this tire is a relatively pricey unit. And there you have it, folks, our best winter tires, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next winter tire roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.